This is the Creating Reports video. When you're creating a new report, you have to decide if the report that you want to create is one that you want to create many times over. In other words, do you really want to create a template that you can use? Or do you really want to link an existing Word document to Excel? Let's start with linking an existing Word document to Excel. You can link any existing Word document to any Excel file. Let's see how this works. What you'll want to do is open your existing report. Select the More Files button. You'll see a File Open dialog appear. Select the document that you want to open and select Open. You'll notice the tab changes to the Report tab and your document is opened. Now you can link Excel documents to your Word document. But first you'll have to open some Excel files, at least one. Select the Workbooks tab, select Workbooks Open, and open one or more Excel workbooks. For the sample, we'll open a very simple Excel file called My Excel File. Now to link from this file back to the report, select a number, range, or chart, and select Copy Link. Go back to the Report tab, put the cursor where you want the link to appear, and select Paste Link. This is the way that you can add links to an existing report. Now let's assume that you really want to create a template to create many reports from. In other words, you don't want to have to insert the links into every report every time you do this. The goal of the report writer is to automate and standardize, so you want to create a template that you can use many times. To create a template, you go through the same steps as you would to create a report. In other words, open an existing report, input all your links, but at that point, select Report, Save As, Template, and then save it as a template. In this case, we'll save it as a file called My New Report Template. Now we'll close this report and create a new one based on the template that we just created. Okay, so let's walk through the steps of creating a new report based on a template. And in this case, it'll be the template that we just created. Let's walk through the steps of creating a new report based on a template. Remember, you can do the same thing from the Report New menu. Select Start a New Report, select New Report, and now you'll notice the template that we created is in the dialog box. You can have one or more templates to create reports from. We'll select the My New Report template and select OK. You'll then be asked to save the report. Select a file name and a folder and select Save. If you have a report that's based on an Excel file, in other words, the report that you're creating is based on a template. If that template has links in it to an Excel file, you'll see this dialog. It'll allow you to either link the data to this file or another one. You can use the Replace function to replace this file. Select OK and the report will be created. Now we can see the final report. The report has all the text in it as well as every link that was in the template that it was based on. In other words, every link in the template will be updated based on the Excel file that you link to it. The power here is that you can have a template with hundreds of links in it, and when you create a report based on that template, all the links will be automatically updated. And don't forget, once a report is created from a template, you can always put more links into it just by going to the Workbooks tab and copying links and pasting them back into the report. This way you can add links after the report is created. So to summarize, there's two ways to use the report writer. One is just open a Word document and insert links into it. That's sort of a one-off situation. The other one is to create a template and then create reports based on that template. That's most probably what you want to do. But you can do either one with the report writer. This is the end of the Creating Reports tutorial.